Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about the topic environment, class 7th, geography chapter 1. Basically this chapter is divided into two parts. So in this video I am going to cover part 1. There are several topics under this chapter which we are going to be covered here. First one is what is environment, second one components of environment, third types of environment which further classified into two parts, natural environment and human made environment, and the fourth is classification of natural environment. So now let's start the topic what is environment. What is environment? First, you must aware about that the term environment is derived from French word environner, which means neighborhood. Environment is a basic life support system. Without environment, we cannot live, we can't exist, because environment provides us air, water, food and land. With air, we can breathe easily, water we drink, food we eat, and the land to live. Environment is also the place, people, things, and the nature that surround us, or we can say that surround us, any living organisms. Now, the next topic is components of environment. There are three components of environment: natural environment, human made environment, and last one is human environment. Now we will discuss about natural environment in detail. Natural environment means all living and non-living things occurring naturally. It means it's not because of human. It means it's not artificially actually. It means natural environment simply means living and non-living things which occur naturally. That means without much human interferences. It includes all vegetation, soil, rocks, air, water, plants, animals, land, etc. So in this picture you can easily see natural environment consists of air, which is also known as atmosphere, water, which is also known as hydrosphere, land, which is also known as lithosphere, and the last one is living things, which is also known as biosphere. Second is human made environment. Human made environment means where human made surroundings that provide facilities to fulfill human needs, like it gives place for the people to work, to live, to educate, to recreate their needs. Why recreate their needs? To fulfill their basic day-to-day needs. That means where human made surrounding according to their needs, to fulfill their needs, where he can easily work, where he can live, where he can educate anyone else. So in this picture you can easily see human made includes several things like buildings, parks, bridges, roads, industries, monuments. These are the things which are made and which are developed by the human. Third, human environment. Human environment where human beings interact with the environment, modified it according to their needs. Do you think so? Modification done in the environment in a one day? No. Modification in the environment does not take place instantly, even though with the passage of time, as people needs change, as their need grew, human learn the new ways to use and change their environment according to their needs, like growing crops and animal domestication. As well as human lead a settled life where wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started, and commerce developed. So in this picture you can see the various examples of human environment, like individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic, and political situation. Now the next topic is types of environment. As we already discussed above under the topic components of environment, Environment are classified mainly in two parts: natural environment and human made environment. Natural environment which occur naturally, which naturally created, for example like air, water, plants, animals. But human made environment means which are created by human beings according to their needs, as per their needs required, for example like park, building, bridges, etc. Now the next topic is two factors of natural environment. Basically there are two factors of natural environment. First one is biotic factor and second one is abiotic factor. Biotic factor means living components of ecosystem, all the living components of an ecosystem. For example like all the livings like plants and animals. But abiotic factor means abiotic factor means non-living part of an ecosystem that shapes our ecosystem. Clear? For example like lands, air, light, water, temperature. So students, in this video we covered part 1